Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra main camera specification mystery has been revealed. Also, Samsung is working on two different Exynos processor with AMD GPU, and Galaxy Z Flip 3 is going to be coming with a Thomas Brown option. And finally, the Galaxy Watch 4 official press render has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. So as far as we know that Samsung is planning on to introduce the Exynos 2200 processor with an AMD GPU, and previously we have seen the performance of the Exynos 2200 with the RDNA 2 GPU coming from AMD, and it was beating all the competition at that time. But do keep in note they were using the Cortex A78, which was the oldest 2019 architecture. Now Samsung is testing the Codex X2 on their next generation Exynos 2200 processor, and as far as we know that the Codex X2 is going to be 16% faster than the Codex X1, so we can expect the high performance even from their last Codex A78. So guys, this is going to be pretty exciting news because Samsung will be bringing the S22 Ultra with the Exynos 2200 processor, and if GPU performance is great, then Samsung will definitely beat the competition, and their Exynos 2200 processor might compete with the Apple M1 chip. Unfortunately, we don't know about the performance of Exynos 2200 with Codex X2. Maybe in the future we can get that information, but obviously I'm looking forward towards that. Moving forward, Samsung is also working on another processor, and that is going to be the Exynos 1200, which is also going to be supported by AMD GPU. So this processor is going to be a tier down variant of the Exynos 2200 and might not come with a Codex X2 architecture inside. So we can expect that this is going to be a upper mid-range level category processor which will have even greater performance than the last year Samsung Exynos 1080. Also do keep in note that some companies are also planning to use that processor in their devices. One of them which is more likely to use it is Vivo, because they have already tested the Exynos 1080 processor on their device. And your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be coming with a 108 megapixel HM4 sensor, which is going to be even better than the last year 108 megapixel sensor. Although many leaksters, including myself, has been thinking that Samsung will be introducing the 200 megapixel of a camera sensor in their device, but that is not going to be happening according to the latest leak. So guys, this new sensor is even going to be bigger than the last year 108 megapixel sensor. It might range between 1 by 1.2 inches of a sensor size. So definitely we are not going to see higher end of a megapixel in the S22 Ultra. We may expect to see the high performance in terms of software, and we might see the sharpness and great quality images in the next 108 megapixel camera sensor. Although we know that S22 and S22 Plus are going to be having a tier down variant for the S22 Ultra, but there are something that has been leaked by Leakster on Twitter which showcase LTPO variant is going to be coming for all the three devices. So this is going to be exciting news because we already know that the base models were not coming with the LTPO display, so this move can bring Samsung a much of profit. Also, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be getting a Thomas Brown limited edition. Thomas Brown design are quite consistent with matte green paint job and trademark 3 color strips, so this could be a fairly accurate representation. So this is going to be a limited edition judging from the last year's success for the Thomas Brown edition. So Samsung is thinking that we might get even better sale this year. And the last leak for today is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, which is going to be coming with the official 360-degree videos that has been shared by Even Plus. Previously, we saw the static render of the upcoming smartwatch, but the video helps highlight the design changes from the Watch 3. Starting with the obvious, it's a classic variant model, so we can expect a rotating bezel to be coming here, and also it's going to be coming with a visual bezels on the touch screen. Compared to the Watch 3, the new model will have a square off sides, and a wristband have been redesigned to completely fill the gap between the lungs. Also, we have 3 colors are expected: white, silver and black. So guys, I am super excited for the S22 Ultra, which is going to be happening next year. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here for daily tech video. Peace.